This is Tony Todd with Sunbelt Sales. Appreciate the opportunity to be here with McCall, representing the great Samsung name. Oh man, it's Sandman. Look, I'm already out of the box. Good to go.
I recommend Samsung to my customers because it's reliable, affordable, and dependable. As a service technician, ease of install is a big thing with the Samsung. Price is good, different looks that you can get, and it's great for different applications.
What an awesome day we had today with the Samsung Roadshow. What an amazing product, reliability, the quality, the name is second to none. Come over to Samsung, we'll take care of you.